guys, welcome to today's video. As you can probably tell, I've been sick for about a week now and you can probably still hear it in my voice. I wanted to do a quick DIY mask with you guys. I have a lot of puffiness going on around here, so I thought why not do it with you guys. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my new videos. Now let's go ahead and get started. So I have about 1 teaspoon of coffee in here, and to this coffee I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of milk powder. So here's one. So I've added about 2 tablespoons of milk powder in here, and I've got some warm milk, and I'm going to start about 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm going to start mixing it all together. I will also list all the ingredients that I'm using today in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. Once I've mixed all the ingredients together, I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And you want to take it right under your eyes because you want to depuff your eyes as well. Coffee is actually really good for your skin. Not only it depuffs, it also gets rid of any swelling or redness you have on your skin. Coffee also tightens up your skin. It shrinks your pores, which results in tightening effect, which also reduces the appearance of fine lines. It also increases your skin elasticity by regulating cell regrowth. Milk powder is full of lactic acid, which helps you heal your dead skin cells, which provides you with a smoother looking skin. It also hydrates and boosts your collagen production, which makes your skin look more youthful and glowy. It also helps in getting rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads, so if you have a blackhead issue, this is a very good mask for you. You can apply this mask all over your body actually. This is a really good mask to even get rid of the cellulite you might have. And of course, do a patch test before applying anything to your skin. You also want to wear dark clothing because it is coffee, so it will stain. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this mask for about 20 minutes and I'm going to wash it with warm water and I'll be back. So I went ahead and washed my face with warm water and now I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. This is from Belif and this is called Peat Miracle Revital Cream, and honestly this is a very good cream. If you can take a look, I have been using this cream non-stop and I'm almost done with this cream actually. So I'm going to take some on my fingers and I'm going to start applying it all over my face. You can always go to Sephora and ask for a sample to try it out. This is a really good cream. I would definitely recommend this to anybody. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time. Ciao!